Laser systems are becoming a powerful tool for teaching and learning. Mr. Morris's Washington Middle School students are learning and applying skills in marketing, design, engineering, and entrepreneurial principles using the Epilog Laser. Students work in collaborative teams to design products from idea to market, all while incorporating mathematics, communication, and problem solving, just as they would in real-world careers.
In marketing class, students start and run their own business out of the class. They come up with their own product lines, they come up with their own advertising for the products, they sell to the community and to the school, to their peers, their family. Once they have orders that they've come into, then they have to talk to the public, people that they're selling it to. They get more orders from the people as they're selling their product, and then they have to get a leadership role in talking to the people as they're selling the product. In their advertisements, they learn how to deal with flyers, they do posters, they do infomercials with our media class to get their product lines out into the school and the community so that people know what they're actually trying to sell. The other leadership component of the class is working with the community, working with adults, meeting orders, making sure they get them done on time, quality control of the orders, and fulfilling the customer to make sure that they're satisfied with their order. They're also learning to use lots of different types of technology in the class, not only all the woodworking tools in the shop so they can design their product lines, they're also learning software with Adobe Illustrator, SketchUp, 3D modeling software. We use a UV printer to do color prints on their products. We have a 3D printer for doing 3D modeling, for making small things like jewelry and pendants. We also have a CNC router for doing signage. And the main thing we use a lot is our laser engraver for doing lots of different types of product lines that can be engraved on or cut out, or a combination of either one of those. Or a lot of students in their products combine all those different technologies, come up with their product line. So they're using a lot of different technology in the real world right now, and see how it incorporates into real society and real life situations. The laser engraver is probably our most popular tech that we use in the class, because it can make so many different objects, so many different types of products, not only engraving on materials, a wide variety of materials, but also in that you can be creative to make 3D products with it, and different materials, cutting in not only wood, corian, we have glass and mirror, everything, and all that allows the students to come up with a wide variety of products for their product lines to sell in the class. So without the engraver, we'd be a lot more limited to what we can actually do in the class.
And I love doing this because it's fun seeing everybody's projects. That's pretty much the best part. And it's really awesome to watch run, as you see every stroke of the laser, more materials taken away, and it's just awesome.
We use the laser engraver about once or twice a week when we have a project that we need to engrave.
We use the laser engraver for adding addition to the wood that we are going to give our customers to add more effect and detail to pizzazz it.
Any specifics?
Recently, for the school board, we had an order to make plaques for retiring school teachers for awards for them. And what we did was we put their name, what their award was, and where they taught at or are teaching at currently. And we also had a border around that to give it a little bit extra.
No, we use it so much that it would be really hard to get the same effect and do the projects, and it would take much longer time because we'd have to paint it or etch it by hand, and it would just take a long time.
Also, all the little details that the laser engraver does for us in such little time is a great help. I would say that the center of our classroom at most times could be the laser engraver, especially on certain projects, but on many others we use our wood shop and other machines, but I'd say about 50 to 75% of our projects use the laser engraver.
So having the laser engraver in our classroom would benefit us later because it teaches us how to use it, and I feel like that's a really good thing for us to have later in life, because if we have jobs that require to use a laser engraver, we have experience with the software and the machine itself, along with just, it helps us with the business aspect as well, because without the laser engraver, that's a vital part of our business, and if we didn't have that, our business wouldn't be as good as it is right now.